Hey everybody, I want to teach you some things that everybody should know if you're a computer user. There are certain things that you should know and you should be doing. And I wrote a few things down for you. Keep your PC free of crap. That means keep a lot of junk files off your computer and a lot of programs that are no good. Uninstall them from your computer. The more stuff that you keep off your computer that's no good, the better your computer's going to run. Sometimes you install programs and they install other programs along with them, so make sure you check and uncheck check marks that your program's going to say it's also going to install other programs with it. You don't want it to do that, and you'll just get more junk on there. Check your hard drive also, your C drive. Go into control panel and look in uninstalled programs, and if there's any programs in there you don't want, don't need, you have toolbars in there, get rid of them, highlight it and go to the top and hit uninstall one at a time. That'll get rid of programs you don't need and your hard drive will run smoother. Also, access your PC from anywhere. Sometimes you have important files on your computer and you're in another town or you're on vacation or something and you can't get to them because you left your computer at home and it's on your desktop. So what you do is you download a program called TeamViewer, put it on your desktop, put it on your laptop, and you can connect to your computer from anywhere where you are. And it's a free program, so you just go to teamviewer.com and you set it up so you can access your desktop from anywhere. So if you lose any files or you're away on vacation or you're in a meeting and you need some certain information, you can access that from your main computer at home or in your office. Another one is keep regular maintenance done on your computer. Make sure you do regular maintenance. That means run your antivirus regularly and make sure it's updated. Clean out your Chrome browser history. Make sure you go into your temps and your temporary internet and your history and get rid of all that stuff. Do it manually if you have to. And that'll free up a lot of stuff. Run antivirus, run Malwarebytes program, run CCleaner program. That'll clean off a lot of junk that's on your computer. And be careful what you download because sometimes you can download some viruses or spyware really easy on some programs. Do a scan first on that file before you're going to download something you're not sure of. And keep your personal information safe. You know, you need to have a backup plan, which if you have personal information, you need to have a copy of it on an external hard drive. So make sure you put anything that's real important that you can't lose on an external hard drive and save it that way. That way, if your computer crashes or something like that, you'll still have it, or you can use USB pen drives and you stick into the USB ports and you can save important files or small programs on there too. And that's something that's really important to do, that you should be doing all the time, because you really got to keep your important files safe. And that's one way to keep them safe is if you can have a duplicate copy on the computer and you'll have another one on your external device which is not connected to the internet. So you can always have that on there for safekeeping. You know, antivirus is important, malware remover is important, registry cleaner is important. That CCleaner is great for your registry. It'll clean out any registry problems. There's also an option to clean out all the temporary junk. So use the registry cleaner. It's called CCleaner. C as in third letter of the alphabet, cleaner, it's all one word. Make sure you download that and run that about once a week, and you'll see a big increase in speed in your computer, and it automatically removes all the junk. You don't have to do anything after it's done. So that will clean up a lot of stuff. And also If you want to get to different programs fast, it's good to have some shortcuts. Put shortcuts on your desktop. If you need to make a folder on your desktop and you're not sure how, just right click an empty space on the desktop and then left click where it says new, and then go up to folder and click folder, and it'll make a desktop folder. And then you could rename that folder. Just highlight in the box and backspace it and type whatever you want in there. And you can put folders on your desktop and put things in there for safekeeping. And you can also save a copy on your external hard drive, which is good to have. And if you're on Windows 10, make sure, even on Windows 7, make sure that you have your power options set to high performance. High performance is the best option. So it's in the power preferences. You could type power option inside the search bar, and you go to the power preferences, and it'll just make sure it's high performance. And also, if you're on a desktop, make sure your fans are clean. Check your fans regularly, because dust accumulates on your fans and it will make your computer run hot. So make sure you clean your fans. And if you're on a laptop, there's an exhaust fan on the side of your computer. Make sure that's free of dust, because air circulates through the laptop and it needs to come out. Also, make sure you have a good battery in your laptop, and if you don't, you can buy replacement batteries on Amazon or eBay for as little as $10 or $12. You just need the model number if you have a problem with your battery. And also your power cord. Make sure that light is on your power cord in your laptop, and make sure that your power cord's not getting really hot. If your power cord gets really hot, that's not a good sign. You may have to get another power cord. That one may be overheating on you. So the way you find that is the model of your computer. You can go to eBay and punch in, let's say you have a Dell Inspiron, for example. You punch in the model number and you write power cord in there, and you can buy power cords online, replacements for about $10 or $15. And also, when you're drinking soda or anything and you're on your laptop, make sure you keep all liquids away from your laptop, because I've seen so many times when people spill soda or coffee, and it's can be devastating to your laptop, because it gets on the motherboard and it starts eating away at the circuit board if there's sugary products. So you don't want to drink right next to your laptop. Make sure you keep everything a little away from it. And if your laptop normally gets hot, some laptops will run hot, you can go and get a laptop cooling pad. They're only about $10 or $15 at some of these department stores. You just sit it under the laptop, and usually they work from USB. You could plug in the USB, and the fans underneath it will cool your laptop down, and that'll help you a lot. If you got any benefits from these tips, or you have a question about computer maintenance, make sure you leave it in the comments below, and I'll answer any question you have about your computer and the kind of issues that it's having. If you have a topic for a video you want me to make, again, leave it in the comments and I'll make a video on that topic, so it will help you. And again, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I come out with videos every few days on maintaining your computer and repairing your computer. And also check out my playlist. I have some new playlists that I put together that'll really help you a great deal, and it's very simple to understand language. So watch my playlist and you'll get a lot out of it. So thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.